let's see how to convert a LaTeX image, sorry, an image or any PDF document to LaTeX equation or LaTeX document. So first, let's go to the website mathpix.com. So try for free. So if you have already signed it, you have created the account, you have to sign it. But if you new, you have to sign up. You don't sign up. Okay. This is the password. So I already signed up. Now I have to verify the account. Okay, let's go to email. So without this verification, go to the link provided by. Okay, let's go to email. Now I have to enter the password. Okay, now this one is the home page for the Mathpix. So we have many options. So we have to upload the PDF, we have to upload the image, and even the notes. But you have to drag any type of document supported by PDF, text, JPG, PNG, or MD. So let's go to Google and find for any equation. For example, let's use this equation. Go just save to the desktop. Okay, in the desktop, image to be converted to LaTeX. Okay, so this one is the image. Look, this one is the image. So I have to upload this for the Mathpix. Here is the website. Here, okay. I already signed up. Okay, here. So I have to copy or I have to drag. So let's drag this one and drop here. So we have many options in the form of text, in the form of equation, and the LaTeX block, not numbered and number. So I need the numbered one. So already copied. So I have to go to the LaTeX and paste here. Look. So I have to run. Look, this one is the image converted to LaTeX. Let's compare this one. Here is, yeah, the desktop. Okay, look at this. Yeah, it's a very powerful conversion. Now let's convert the PDF, total the PDF to LaTeX. For example, I have a PDF, this one. So I think I have to rename this one. PDF to be converted to LaTeX. Look, I have to drag this one again. Okay. So if you need pages, you can use the commas for separating the strings, and you can put the numbering, which is auto number. You remove or preserve the number. So sorry. Okay, here. So I have to upload. Now it's uploading here. After the uploading is finished, we have many options. So you have to select the option you wanted. So in the export menu, we have original PDF, Markdown, Mathpix, Doc, LaTeX, HTML, and overlay. So I prefer to use the LaTeX. Okay, let's click. Look here. It is converting to LaTeX. Yeah. conversion is completed, and we have in the download folder. Okay, now I have to extract this one. So we have extracted document here. So now see, there are the images in the document already converted by itself. Look, these are the images from the given PDF document, and this is the code, the total code. Yeah, this is for the given document. Let's run. So I think this is the converted document. Look at this one. Every points are converted into the LaTeX document. Look for the equation, especially let's go to the source. Here it is the equation. Everything is converted in a good manner. Look how much this equation is complex to write, but it is converted to this one. Yeah. So it is simple to use, and it is very powerful to use this any type of document in the image and other things.